Okay, don't try this at home because this was like really wreckful. I've broke 2 carbide drills and a carbide end mill doing that. But the drilling and tapping in the 4140 went okay, even though I broke out an angle. I had to sharpen the drill bit once. And I had to, because I couldn't countersink them anymore, because the carbide countersink's broken. I've had to take down the stainless steel bolts a little bit. So let's go and see if that can take the torque and see if that works. Okay, so here I'm being quite proud about finishing these holes off, and I find the first problem. Obviously, having broken 3 carbide bits, not very happy, but this is the tool I have nearly finished making to get stubborn drill bits out of the chuck, and I'm quite happy. For a start, it starts moving, then I think, what's happening here then? It's a bit tight. And the mill was making a few strange noises while doing these, and now I'm starting to get very worried indeed. And I'm just making sure that the brake is working at the top and everything's tight. And eventually I tried to get the tool in and it wasn't going in, so I tapped it with the brass drift that you see there, and the cutter fell out. And well, then I realised that the drill chuck is what was feeling tight. Obviously I should be able to move it with my hand right now, I'm still having to use the bar. It's tight. It's very tight. The mill is locked with its brake at the moment and the chuck doesn't move. So realisation's setting in. Just having a quick look at the cutter there. It's done its job. If its job was breaking for 4 tools, this chuck being the most expensive at £90, and obviously a couple of carbide cutters at £20 a shot, and a carbide drill at a tenner. So, you know, it's cost some money, this machine moving arrangement that I'm making. The holes that I've cut out here, they're for making machine jacks. I'm sure I'll be showing them shortly once they're completely finished. Yeah, I was probably swearing or giggling, one or the other at that point now, because I think I was resigned to the fact that, well, it's all going pear-shaped. Yeah, then I had a bit of a power cut. That was quite entertaining. Just showing you the drill. Anyway, here's the Holbrook. Here's another problem. This has just happened. Obviously the back gear bearing had dropped and that weren't working. And now another problem has happened and the spindle's completely out, so the lathe's covered up. That'll be coming up in another video, what I'm doing to that. So it's needs must. I've got to get the new lathe up and running, and it needs a carriage stop. Since the mill's clear, I've decided to mill out this T-nut looking device, which is going to be the carriage stop. It needs a bit of mass behind it, this little lightweight lathe, and a carriage stop of that dimension, although it's overkill for what it needs to do. It's adding mass to the lathe, and any bit of mass added to this lathe is going to make it better.